The wildfires spreading through the city of Los Angeles, California, have turned the city into a living hell. The fire started from a small spark in a bush, but within moments, it became uncontrollable and engulfed a vast area. The intense heat, dry winds, and low humidity have made it incredibly dangerous, and now the fire has left the entire city in fear. So far, the fire has burned over 40,000 acres, and despite all efforts to extinguish it, the flames continue to intensify. Over 12,300 buildings have been reduced to ashes, and thousands of people have been left homeless. The supply of water, electricity, and gas has been completely suspended in the affected areas, and several major roads and highways have been closed to allow firefighting vehicles to move more easily. This fire has not only destroyed property, but is also claiming human lives. According to the latest reports, 26 people have been killed and 31 individuals are still missing. The number of injured in hospitals has exceeded 200, many of whom are severely burned. Authorities fear that as rescue teams search through the ashes for bodies, the death toll may continue to rise. Thousands of firefighters, dozens of aircraft and helicopters are working to put out the fire. But the strong winds, which are blowing at speeds of 80 kilometers per hour, are undermining all their efforts. According to the fire department, 55% of the fire has been contained, but the remaining fire remains uncontrollable. Rescue teams are trying to evacuate people trapped in the affected areas, but fallen trees, destroyed buildings, and burning vehicles on the roads are creating obstacles for them. Thousands of people have been displaced from their homes. Following evacuation orders, residents of the affected areas have taken to the streets with essential supplies. Many are watching helplessly as their homes, vehicles, and shops are turned to ash, unable to do anything. Heart-wrenching videos are going viral on social media, showing people terrified and calling for help. Many families have been separated from their loved ones, and they are desperately searching for them. Experts estimate that the financial loss from this fire could exceed $160 billion, making it one of the costliest natural disasters in U.S. history. City officials in Los Angeles are facing severe criticism for failing to implement effective fire prevention strategies. Environmental experts argue that climate change, deforestation, and poor government planning have exacerbated the disaster. The sky has turned red, smoke clouds are covering everything, and people's screams can be heard. Those who once admired the gleaming streets and luxurious life of Los Angeles are now forced to sleep on the ground with their loved ones. When will this fire end? Where will this destruction stop? These are the questions that no one can answer. The residents of Los Angeles can only pray for mercy. God, have mercy.